renewable energy, clean energy, green energy. These are all popular terms going around about new ways of producing energy. But what do they really mean? In short, it's energy produced from sources that don't create environmental hazards and that can be continuously replenished. We're here in Farmington Hills City Hall, which happens to be a LEED certified building. LEED stands for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design and was developed by the U.S. Green Building Council to set a benchmark for design, construction, and operation of high-performance green buildings.
Renewable energy is any form of energy that comes from what we would consider a renewable resource, and this is either sun or wind. It can also include geothermal energy, which is heat from the ground. There's a whole range of areas where we can harvest renewable energy. This also includes hydroelectric.
Most of our energy comes from fossil fuels like coal or oil. Fossil fuels are burned to produce energy, and it's during this process that greenhouse gases are released, which is why we call them dirty sources of energy. Many scientists agree that it's these greenhouse gases that are causing the Earth's atmosphere to warm up, which can ultimately change the Earth's climate. Coal, oil, and gas are non-renewable sources of energy. Because we can only use what's available, once they're used up, they're gone. The basic forms of renewable energy are those that come from the sun, wind, and water. The sun. Solar power. The sun's light contains energy. When it hits a solar panel, it takes the energy and converts it into electricity. Wind. Windmills. Wind turns the blades, which generates electricity. Water. Hydropower. Uses flowing water to spin turbines to generate electricity.
In the future, we're going to see a lot more renewable energy making up the mix of how we provide electricity and fuel in our economy. I think we're on a growth pattern right now. I think we're going to see a lot more electric vehicles and other biofuel vehicles out there. We're going to see buildings that are using a fraction of the amount of energy that they would have used only a decade ago being built. So I think we're on a good trajectory. I think there's a lot of momentum behind it and a lot of people that are excited about it. So it's a good place to be.
Every state in America can produce its own clean, renewable energy, keeping millions of dollars in state, creating new jobs, and reducing pollution.
I think it could be a crucial tool towards, the rebirth of Michigan as, a 21st century economy. It's all there.
We see a lot of people that are embracing it and ready to move forward with projects in their own buildings, in their own homes, or in their fleets of vehicles. We work with a lot of people who are ready to make the next step. They just don't know what to do next. And we're kind of there as a resource to help answer questions and sort of put the pieces together for people that are in that position.
There's no end to how deeply we could get into this and how huge of an impact it could be. I mean, because it's all around us. It's the lights that we have, it's the fans that we have, it's our heating and cooling equipment, it's the cars that we drive. It's all these things that drive our economy and just figuring out ways to do them better.
If you've enjoyed this seedling on renewable energy, be sure to check out SWOCstudios.com. Click the on-demand link and search Seedlings. I'm Jennifer Corman, and every seedling matters.